Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Tuesday afternoon. We are recording this weather forecast at about 1:05. The rain continues to fall in the greater Boston area, but there's been some intense rainfall. Portions of northern Worcester County, 6.62. West Townsend, 5.33. In Boston, over 2 inches. I'm still waiting for the latest observation to come in. But the good news is the worst of the rain is now beginning to slide south. All right, let's get into it. First of all, weather forecast this afternoon is being brought to you by Affluent Auto Studios. They are the best car auto detailing shop in the greater Boston area. Founder Kevin Kelly has a passion for cars and the details, and that's why he will make sure your car looks nothing short of perfect when he's done with it. So call Affluent Auto Studios, 508-524-1428, online at affluentautostudios.com. Let's check out the weather headline. The heavy rain gradually shifting south of Boston this afternoon will taper to showers. Cooler Wednesday, maybe with some drizzle. A burst of showers Thursday night into Friday morning, along with the warm frontal zone. I'm just a little bit nervous how quick that warm front's going to move through, as high pressure is going to be banged to our northeast. But a nice weekend in the offing. That's the way it looks right now. As we look at the latest visible satellite loop, you're going to see that we do have a weather front line just to the south of Boston down towards the mid-Atlantic states. There is somewhat dry air trying to come in from the north, but I'll tell you what, folks, as winds turn northeast, it's going to hold the low-level moisture in along the coast for the next 24 hours. And here's our next weather maker, back into the northern plain states, low pressure with a couple of fronts. We have a cold front in this position, a warm front like this. That'll be moving through here with by Thursday night, rather, and that means we are talking about another burst of rain. All right, let's look at the Chatham radar, and you're going to see some burst of heavy rain coming into the greater Boston area. But notice the back edges move through the Berkshires right now. Still in the northern Worcester County. It's clearing southern New Hampshire. And now some big boomers, big thunderstorms as of about 1:05, 1:10 this afternoon from eastern Connecticut down to about Rehoboth. This line moving into Plymouth will eventually collapse towards the Cape and the islands during the afternoon with heavy showers and storms. As we look ahead, let's jump ahead and we'll look at the latest GFS loop here, and you'll notice that what's going on is that we have low pressure. First of all, let's start the loop again. Here we go. Ba 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 loo. Oh, I love how embarrassed skins. All right, here we go. We'll start the loop again if we can. Oh, you're not going to start for me. Sure you are. Here's the storm pulling away. Here are the cooler northeast winds for tomorrow. The next frontal zone brings a burst of showers in here by Thursday night. Then it's a cooler, drier weekend before another weather front gives us more showers by early next week. A little complicated, but you get the drift. For today, rain tapering to showers, starting in low and mid-70s, falling into the 60s from Boston north during the afternoon. For the Mariners, this afternoon, we're talking about southwest winds. Let me fix that for you. 10 to 15 miles an hour, gust to 25, seas 1 to 3 feet, visibility's poor. Next high tide in Boston Harbor is at 7:06 this evening. Water temps running 66 to 74. Sun's going down at 6:49. Then overnight, drizzle, fog, cool, raw, 50s, low 60s. Now, here's your 5-day forecast for Boston, starting with tomorrow. Cloudy, cool. There could be some drizzle, maybe some sun well inland. It'll be in the 60s. Thursday, early sun and increasing clouds. Rain at night, mild mid-70s, probably cooler at the coast. Chance of showers early Friday. Hopefully it turns partly cloudy during the afternoon. The wind shifting southwest will be in the upper 70s. Saturday, sunny, beautiful, mid-70s, cooler at the coast. And the first official day of fall, I believe, is on Sunday. With sunshine, it'll be cooler, temps near 70. So there you go. That's my forecast. Thanks for checking in. Please stay tuned for updates. I'm Mark Rosenthal.